Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is John Fontain, and I'm sure you're all aware of what happened in New Zealand last week. Subhanallah, it's a very upsetting time. Both Muslims and non-Muslims have been so sad about the event. And subhanallah, a lot of us feel a bit helpless. We feel like there's not much we can do. You know, New Zealand is a very far place. I'm sure if this was in France or Germany or England, people from all over Europe and all over America would come together and pay their respects and actually go and visit the families and visit the Muslims in that country. Now, because it's in New Zealand, because it's so far away, it's a difficult place to go to. And there's not much we feel that we can do. Of course, many people have actually donated towards the families and the people who are the victims, etc. But realistically, what else can we do? Now, of course, I hope everyone's making dua, number one. But number two, I want to raise money for the non-Muslims. What I mean by this is, the non-Muslims have actually come out in large numbers in New Zealand to support the Muslims and show their respects and actually support and protect the Muslims from harm. I want to raise money for dawah material. I'm actually going to New Zealand tomorrow. I'm going to be spending 10 days going to 5 different cities. I'm going to be teaching the locals how to actually interact with the non-Muslims, use the mosque as an open day to bring the people into the mosque, teach them about Islam, subhanallah. And also, we're going to deliver dawah material. I'm raising money today for dawah material because the New Zealanders and the people all over the world deserve to hear the correct message of Islam. If you want to act today, if you want to do something for New Zealand today, if you want to turn this negative event into a positive one where people can hear the true message of Islam, donate on the link below. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.